to Let's Cook It, everyone, and in today's episode I'm going to show you how to make spag and cheese. Yes, spag and cheese is a quick and easy and tasty meal to make with a few ingredients. Almost every house, if not every house, have the ingredients for it. So to begin, bring your water to boil and we're gonna add some salt to it. Spaghetti goes in and I'm using the semolina spaghetti. In the meantime, the spaghetti is boiling. I need 8 to 10 minutes. So we're gonna cook it al dente. So stove on the low and we're gonna make the white sauce. So we're gonna melt the butter first. Butter melt and garlic powder. Salt and pepper. A little bit of fresh nutmeg. Now I'm gonna add the flour. Pretty much we're making a roux here. It's time to use the whisk. Make sure no lumps. Now I'm gonna start adding the milk a little bit at a time. Increase the heat to medium-low. And we're gonna let it simmer to thicken up a little bit. Now let's check on the spaghetti. Perfect, spaghetti almost. Few more minutes. Now let's work on the cheese. I have here some pre-shredded mozzarella cheese and I'm going to add some Monterey Jack cheese to it. Mozzarella cheese job is to stretch and the Monterey Jack cheese job is to give you the creamy texture and the flavor. Perfect. Cheese ready. Give it a little mix. Let's check on our white sauce. Nice, look at this. It's simmering and the sauce is thickening up a little bit. Now I'm gonna add some cheese and we're adding half of the cheese mix we just did. Nice. Perfect, that's what we need. Nice, spaghetti ready to go. Turn off and let me try some. Ooh, hot, hot. Cooling it down. Still my favorite way to eat spaghetti, this way. And don't tell me you didn't try it whenever you boil spaghetti. If not, you better try it because it's so much fun. Now let's put things together. Spaghetti goes in the sauce and don't drain the pasta, just straight from the pot into the sauce. Now let's mix it all together and our spag and cheese ready to go in the casserole pan. And let's use every single drop of the white sauce. Cover with the cheese and in the same time make sure your oven preheated on 400 degrees and ready to go in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the cheese nice golden brown on top. Look at that beauty. I baked it on a 400 for 10 minutes actually, and I turned it on the broil for 3-4 minutes, and look at that beautiful color it gave me. So now let it rest for 15-20 minutes before we serve it. Well, I guess you know me by now. No patience to wait 15-20 minutes. So I'm gonna cut and serve myself. Yum, look at this. Now the moment of the truth. Wow, baked spag and cheese in a white sauce, unbelievable flavor, super easy to make. All yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.